Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress themes from Envato. First, head over to Theme Forest, Envato's marketplace for WordPress themes. You'll find thousands of premium options there, so take your time browsing to find the perfect fit for your website's vision. Once you've made your selection, proceed with the purchase, paying close attention to the licensing details. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. After purchasing, download the theme package from your Envato account. This usually contains the main theme file and helpful documentation. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click Add New, then Upload Theme. Choose the main theme zip file you just downloaded. Install and activate it, and your new theme will be ready to go on your site. Now it's time to make your site truly yours. First, install any required or recommended plugins that came with your theme. These are essential for full functionality. Then, import the demo content. This is a fantastic way to quickly get a pre-designed layout, saving you hours of work. After that, dive into the WordPress Customizer or the Theme Options panel to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts, and start adding your unique content. To ensure your website runs smoothly, focus on optimization. Use caching plugins and image optimization tools to improve loading speeds, which is crucial for user experience. Always keep your theme and all plugins updated to maintain security and compatibility. Don't forget to back up your website regularly. This is a vital safeguard against any potential data loss. Finally, consult your theme's documentation for advanced features and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.